Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by checking Model and iOS so features match. Open Settings General About. Once done, plug in or keep battery above 20% to avoid low power interference. Now go to Settings Display and Brightness and prepare to change Auto Lock. I'll walk you through guided access next if you need a persistent single app display. Make sure to have Face ID/passcode ready because toggling these settings may prompt authentication before continuing. You now change Auto Lock to Never so the screen won't sleep. Open Display and Brightness and select Never. Once done, disable attention-aware features in Face ID and passcode if available. This prevents the phone from dimming when it thinks you're not looking. Next, lower brightness and disable True Tone or Night Shift if they cause unwanted shifts. I suggest a stable brightness around 30–50% to reduce burn-in and heat during prolonged use. You'll finish by enabling guided access under Accessibility and setting a secure passcode. This locks the screen on one app and keeps the display awake. Once enabled, open the app you want, then triple-click the side or top button to start guided access and tap Start. If the screen still sleeps, make sure low power mode is off and auto lock remained at Never. Restart the iPhone and reapply settings if needed. That usually resolves persistent conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.